Hello, my name's Helen Round and I'd like to talk to you today about our lampshade workshops which we're doing online. So when you book onto a lampshade workshop, what you get to choose is your fabric, which is hand printed linen, which we print here in the studio, and in the kit you'll get everything you need to make a 20cm or a 30cm lampshade. Now the lampshade can be used for either a pendant to hang from the ceiling, or it can be used on a table lamp. So you go online, you book onto the website, you find the product, and then you choose which kit you'd like. So the kits come like this. This is a 20cm kit, and in the kit you get the plastic you need to stick the linen onto. You get the ring set that you require. This is a 20cm ring set, and then you get the tape, and then a special tool which is tucked under here, which helps you to finish the shade. You also get some printed instructions, so that should you want to make another shade or forget something along the way, that's all in the box. So those are our lampshade kits. There's two sizes available. As I said, that's a 20cm there, and you can also choose a 30cm, which has the same things inside. So that's how it works. You book on, you choose your fabric, we send you the kit with the fabric, and then the lampshade runs via Zoom. So I've got my laptop set up here today, and we log in and meet you on Zoom.